All right, all we've been doing is living and breathing vacuum sealers for the past month. These are the top 7 selling vacuum sealers online. These are the ones that are highly rated and highly reviewed. So we wanted to put them up against each other, see how they're different, how they're the same, which parts they fail short, which ones they deliver, really based on their pricing, their size, their vacuum, suction power, how well they seal, how well the seals and everything hold up over time. I'll put the individual links below, and also for each one of them that we did, and also the full review that we did with all 7 of them against each other. But I want to also show you one other thing, how these things are different when it comes to the vacuum power, and then how much of that vacuum seal they hold over time. So really quickly, we took the same exact can and put them in each one of them. You'll see it here, how quickly they vacuum the air out of each bag, how much vacuum power each one of them had, and then how well they sealed thereafter. So this is probably one of my favorite parts to do with this, is taking those empty cans and seeing how they perform and how quickly. Let's start with the Anova. Take a look at what it did. This is your end result, and pretty much crushed the whole can. It took about 40 seconds. Unfortunately, the Anova Precision really didn't do anything. This is our second take with it. While I'm going through the other ones, I'm gonna pop it in here and try one more time. But this is one of the reasons we've not been impressed with the Anova Precision at all. It just doesn't perform, it doesn't lock well. I'll hit that again. The Bonsenkitchen was by far the fastest, and you can see what again, for $30, what a great job it did. It's got great vacuum suction power. The Beelicious, again, for the price, for the size, it just didn't do a good job and didn't seal it. It just kind of vacuumed it a little bit, and it didn't fully seal for us. Again, I'll pop that in here again while we're taking a look at the rest of them, and we'll do another vacuum and seal and see if it'll seal it this time. The InstaSeal, great job again, crushed it. But again, it's one of those ones you have to kind of feed through. You'll see it in the full video, but it does a great job and did a double seal at the top for us. This thing, for how small it is, there's a little bit of air in there, tiny bit, but for the most part, again, for it being a Ziploc bag, these aren't completely as airtight as the full seal all the way around, but it did a pretty good job. You can see there's a little bit of space in between where we didn't get that with the other ones that did a really precision job with the vacuum and sealing. And then finally, our FoodSaver, the workhorse, and look how much that crushed that can. You can see from here the clear winners as far as taking all that air out: the InstaSeal, the FoodSaver, the inexpensive Bonsenkitchen, and obviously the Anova. This one has failed now, the other Anova Precision. This time it sealed it, but it didn't vacuum at all. That's 3 times it's failed. This one as well, the Beelicious, is sealed it for us this time, but not much more air has come out of this. This still has a long way to go to get it fully crushed, and there's some air in there. Okay, so now you've seen the vacuum process of each one of them. We waited a few hours to see how much of that air seeps back in, and which one holds the vacuum, which one has a nice seal on it, and which ones failed. Okay, the Anova Precision chamber at $374, it goes on sale from time to time to $274. Did an exceptional job with crushing the can, and after a few hours you can see there's no air leak whatsoever. The seal is proper and it's strong, and the air vacuum suction on it is really top notch. The Anova Precision, same brand, same company, it really failed miserably. Not only did it not vacuum in the first place, the seal is there, but this is a fail. We wanted this to be vacuumed and to see the power of it. We actually did it 3 times and it just didn't work. Really quickly, the Anova Precision is $74.99 online. The Bonsenkitchen, this is really impressive machine. $29.99, and it does so much of the basics for you. It actually was the fastest to crush this, as you saw in the video. And it really does a great job of vacuuming and sealing. And after a few hours, there is no air leak in this whatsoever. So again, very, very impressive. The Beelicious Pro, we weren't impressed with the vacuum power. There is quite a bit of air in here now. By the way, again, the Beelicious Pro was $99.99. The InstaSeal is also $99.99 online. And that's been really impressive, both with the vacuum, with the seal, and also there is zero air leak thereafter. So that's really impressive. As expected with the Chef Preserve at $74.99, again, proprietary bags and proprietary containers to be used. Neither one of them does an exceptional job with the seal. There has been air leak in both of them, especially this one here. Again, to be expected. This is Ziploc. This is not your regular seal as you see in the other videos. The Chef Preserve only vacuums, does not seal your bags. You know, the vacuum power initially for what it is was impressive for how small it is, but the seal on the bags, even though they're reusable and dishwasher safe and all and freezer safe, just not impressive. So again, this will preserve your goods for a little bit longer, but not to the extent of some of the machines that perform really well. And then lastly, the FoodSaver, this is at $239 online. Again, absolute workhorse. It is a little bit larger. You'll see all the things that it does in the other two videos that we've done individually and the one that we've done all 7 against each other. Look at the suction power of that thing. That can is absolutely crushed and no air leak whatsoever. So really impressive. All in all, I do want to show you guys one quick trick here too that's really fun to see, something that we all use you know, in our households. But before I get to that, really quickly, what are the ones that I would buy again and which ones I would stay away from? The Anova, we've done so many different tests. It does so many different things, is an absolute must for the kitchen that is really trying to not only do all the vacuum sealing of you know, different products, different meats and goods, but if you really want to take your cooking and your recipes and everything to the next level, you'll see that in the videos that we've done. The Anova Precision, an absolute no for us. It's failed so many times. It's really hard to close, very basic, and it's not worth the price. The Bonsenkitchen for a beginner that wants to just do basic stuff is fantastic for any kitchen. At 30 bucks, you just can't go wrong with that one. The Beelicious Pro, we would pass. At $99, it just didn't deliver. It doesn't have the results that we need. Too bulky. Again, you'll see all the details in the other video. The InstaSeal, fantastic product if you don't really want to step up to one of these two here. At $99, especially if you're doing soups and broths and stuff, it just does a fantastic job for you and doesn't take that much space. The Chef Preserve, again, it's not for everybody. It's for the kitchen that really wants something small and it's doing minimal stuff to just preserve snacks and whatnot for a little bit extended time. And then lastly, of course, the FoodSaver. It is a workhorse. It does so many different things, especially the fact that it actually is flexible with the many different types of bags and containers and the external accessories. Again, you can watch that full video. I want to show you one really cool trick before we go. Bag of chips, we all eat them. Our household, we generally don't finish these. One of the things that you can do with pretty much any of these machines that's really fun to do is just basically after you're done, when you put those clips on, you're still getting air in. This trick works really well. Take your bag. You don't have to cut it even with scissors. I just did to kind of showcase this. Turn that on. It's on dry food. Roll that in. It pulls it in. Boom. You can see the air is getting sucked out of it. And then now it's sealing it. Didn't crush any of the chips. It stopped at a perfect time. And then now it's going to be done and sealed. And these chips will last longer. They'll stay crunchy and fresh. Look at this. It's as if it was just store-bought. So a little trick for your house. Just that by itself, if you bought one of the less expensive ones, will save you a lot of money on chips that will stay fresh and you don't need to throw away. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and coming onto our channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe now, please. Give it a like and watch the other videos. If you have any questions or recommendations for any other products for us to review, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys. We'll see you soon.